Hello guys, today I have a new video, an unboxing of a tripod stand for mobile and as well as for a DSLR. So without wasting any time, let's quickly unbox this, as I have previously unboxed this one. So this is basically I bought it from the Ross.pk, basically a tripod uh, named is 3120, and it comes with the following feature: a three-way pen head, 4-section leg, and quick lever lock, a rubber leg tip. It weigh only 420 gram, and I think what is this, I don't know, I think the angles or something, and 345 mm in height, 345 mm. So this is basically, so the maximum height is I think 10-20 millimeters. So without wasting any time, this is basically what paperwork. Let's quickly unbox this. So this is basically a tripod, and yes, I bought this from the Ross.pk. I think nothing else in the box. Okay, cool. It look cool. This is basically a tripod. This is basically the mobile holder. So yes, this is a tripod, and this is a mobile holder. I think it's a pretty rigid type. This point is a pretty rigid type, not that much, but yes, I think it will work definitely. So that's a tripod. So this is something it will look like. I think, let me show you. This, see, I think this is for this one. You can, and this one is for rotating upside down. And yes, the another feature, it can still extends up in vertical. But the main feature of this is its legs, that I can extend this up to I think meter or something. So this is how it works. This is basically a tripod. Now that's a mobile holder. Let me show you what it is. You can, this one actually there is a holder downside the bottom, so you can just easily further you can tie it from such a point. So I bought this tripod for my YouTube videos. Further, my video will be more stabilized with this. I think the quality is pretty good, not that much bad, average quality. But I have paid about 750 rupees for that, a Pakistani rupee 750 for this. But I think that will actually works quite well. Yeah, and you can also handle a DSLR camera through this also. So but I think it will not with the quality and with this, I think it will not bear much of weight, a lot of weight, but you can still handle a DSLR with it. So that's all from now, and this is Ehtisham Abed, and you're watching Grooming Logics, and I'm signing off.